We have a trinomial, 3 terms, but negative exponents. Okay, if we did not have negative exponents, then this would be just a quadratic equation. Okay, but what is the relationship between x raised to negative 2 and x raised to negative 1? Let's do it over here. X raised to negative 2 is square of x raised to negative 1, right? Because when we have x raised to negative 1 is squared, we just multiply the inner and outer exponents. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So we can rewrite this equation as, and we will see how it helps. Okay, x to the negative 2 is x raised to negative 1 quantity square, plus we have the same thing, so I want to write inside parentheses here, minus 42 equals 0. So we have same thing here and here. Let's assume y, let y be that number, I mean that expression, x raised to negative 1. Then this equation becomes, this is, now we are saying y, so y is squared plus this is y minus 42 equals 0, and this is a familiar quadratic equation, and we know how to solve this. Okay, by making this substitution we get a familiar quadratic equation. Now we solve this quadratic equation. We try to factor. If it works with factoring, good. Otherwise we need to go for quadratic formula. Let's factor. It's a trinomial as a product of two binomials, y squared y times y. 42 negative means 1, negative positive, we have to get plus 1. So 42 several ways, so 21 times 2, 21 to 19, we have 1, so this is not good. 42, I don't know, 3 divides how many times 3, 14. 14 minus 3 is 11, we have 1, so this is not good. 42, so 2 3 2 times 2 3 6, 6 times 7 42, 7 minus 6 is 1, good. 6 and 7 to get plus, so plus goes to 7 and minus, because we have negative 42, so plus 7 minus 6 or minus 6 plus 7, doesn't matter. So we have a product of two things equals 0, that implies either this factor 0 or this factor 0. From the first factor y equals negative 7, because negative 7 plus 7 is 0, or y minus 6 equals 0 when y equals 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. But this is not the answer, because y equals x raised to negative 1. Now we back substitute the value of y is x raised to negative 1, so this is x raised to negative 1 equals negative 7, or y is x raised to negative 1 equals 6. Now we solve these two equations for x. Okay, x raised to negative 1 is in fact reciprocal of x, so x raised to negative 1 is same as, okay, this implies 1 over x. 1 over x equals negative 7, or same thing, 1 over x equals 6. So how to get x from here? Take the reciprocal, because the reciprocal of 1 over x is x. Negative 7 means 7 over 1. So take the reciprocal of all 4. So 1 over x becomes x over 1. Negative 7 over 1 becomes negative 1 over 7. Or you can cross multiply and isolate x, same thing. Or take the reciprocal, 1 over x becomes x, 6 over 1 becomes 1 over 6. Or you can cross multiply and isolate x. Thus we got two values of x, negative 1/7 and 1/6, negative 1/7 and 1/6 as answers.